At your healthcare organization, your operations are mission critical. After all, you're the gatekeeper of the maintenance, compliance, and operational tasks that keep important pieces of equipment running and patients safe and able to heal. So, how do you balance managing the environment of care with a limited amount of time and resources? Imagine the efficiency you and your team could gain with one system to manage your daily tasks and provide the data you need to make critical day-to-day decisions. Imagine if you could own your operations and not the other way around to contribute to better work that impacts lives. The future of maintenance and operations management in healthcare starts here with Dude Solutions' cloud-based software for better work and asset management. Consider your work orders, assets, maintenance tasks, and inventory organized, documented, and well-managed, with tools to better visualize your facilities and workflow. Compliance-related tools, with digital record-keeping for everything from daily tasks to clinical assets to surveys and inspections. You can stay compliant easier with the Joint Commission, Fire and Life Safety, and more. Cross-departmental communication. Document tasks related to environmental services, security, biomed, and maintenance so everyone stays on the same page. Reporting and analysis. Let your data tell your story and help justify resources while benchmarking you against other sites with configurable reporting tools and visual KPIs. Mobile work. Complete work orders and track assets on the go, and even use timers while doing the work with our user-friendly mobile interface. Our goal at Dude Solutions is simple: to provide you with the insight you need to make your team's daily to-do list doable. Because better data helps you operate smarter, and smarter operations equal improved patient care. From acute to ambulatory to psychiatric and social assistance, we've helped thousands of healthcare organizations of all care levels transform the way they work. When the Dude is by your side, we're an extension of your team. And with implementation and ongoing support, you'll never have to go it alone. To learn more, contact us to set up a personalized demo and see how we can help you own your operations.